Solitaire Cash and Skillz both let you compete for real money prizes, but they work very differently. Solitaire Cash is built around one card game, while Skillz is a platform with multiple competitive games. By the end, you'll know which one gives you the better fit for cash tournaments, and what to check before spending any money. Solitaire Cash is focused on solitaire. The app uses competitive solitaire tournaments where players can compete for cash prizes in locations where real money play is supported. The advantage is simplicity. If you already know solitaire, you don't have to learn a completely new game every time you want to compete. Your results also depend on your speed and accuracy, because the competitive format rewards gameplay performance rather than simply completing a casual solitaire game. Before entering a paid tournament, check the entry fee and prize amount shown for that specific contest. Also check the withdrawal section so you know which cash-out methods are available to you. Skillz works differently. Instead of being one game, Skillz is a competitive gaming platform that hosts multiple games with cash prize tournaments. That gives Skillz an obvious advantage if you want variety. You can choose from different game types instead of being limited to solitaire. But there is a trade-off. Because Skillz contains multiple games, the amount you can potentially win depends on the individual game, tournament, entry fee, and competition you're entering. So if your question is simply, which app pays more? There isn't a single guaranteed answer. Neither Solitaire Cash nor Skillz promises a fixed income. Your potential winnings depend on the tournaments you enter, the fees involved, your performance, and the prizes offered for that specific contest. If you prefer one familiar game, Solitaire Cash is the simpler choice. If you want multiple games and more variety, Skillz gives you more options. There's another detail that matters before you deposit. Real money gaming availability can depend on your location. Some games, tournaments, or cash features may not be available everywhere. So check the app's current cash game eligibility, tournament entry fees, prize amounts, and withdrawal requirements before putting money into either platform. The practical comparison is straightforward. Solitaire Cash is better for focused solitaire competition, while Skillz is better if you want a broader selection of competitive games. For your next step, open both apps, compare the entry fee and prize pool for the same type of tournament, and then decide which gives you the better value for the way you actually play. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money gaming app comparisons.